Today we'll talk about how can you enable activities notifications on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go above this sign, click on it here. Sorry, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click on settings here, then you come to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on notifications. So then you come here to activities here, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as main activities notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.